Do you have a maintenance plan for your investment property? Buildsmart will prepare a comprehensive maintenance review just for you. This review will identify maintenance issues like leaking roofs, rot, mould and mildew, or paint that's past its best before date. It's an extensive list. These are then prioritised into an order of urgency. The review can include the interior, exterior, or both. The initial review will include a video identifying the problem areas and an explanation of what will be required to make the repair. There may often be underlying issues that may not be obvious when first identified. For example, rotten weatherboards may be hiding rotten studs, or a leaking roof that may have caused damage behind the cladding. The video inspections make it easy for you to understand the problem and to gain a better insight to the solution. The benefit is there are no surprises.
So just here on site reviewing some maintenance work required inside. So as you can see, this part of the window frame here is all totally rotten. So we're going to have to replace that all the way up. And you can also see water starting to track inside the wall cavity. The water's also tracked right down through to this bottom plate. And we can also see there's some vertical timber here, framing timber here. It's also rotten out, so we're going to need to replace all of that. We've also got some broken glass in the window above. That's going to need to be addressed too.
The video is an excellent reference for you to send to the tenants, your lawyer, your bank, or other stakeholders. It also saves you time and money because you don't need to be on site.
Hi, it's Glenn Williamson here from Buildsmart, just looking at doing some window repairs to this.
The Buildsmart team may use video throughout the maintenance program to keep you right up to date with progress. Buildsmart can cover any building, painting and roofing requirements. And when it comes to all those health and safety regulations, yep, they take care of all of those as well. An appropriate maintenance program will help maximise the return on your investment property. The cost of ignoring maintenance can be high. By talking to the team at Buildsmart, you'll start saving yourself some headaches and money, and it will extend the life of your investment property.